experiment, yung experimental should not stay experimental, no? Dapat eventually it leads to a permanent solution or at least, ano man tawag doon, lasting solution to the problem. Kasi sa totoo lang, wala namang permanente sa mundo. But you'll need a lasting solution for it. Eh. And pagka hindi ka kumikibo, it will mean everything's all right. Quick story, everyone. So I was running a training on service leadership. Mga managers ng isang hotel chain, laking hotel chain sa Pilipinas. So I have the property managers, I have the chefs, no, yung mga managers ng mga different departments from different hotel branches. Ngayon, they have a really good performance in terms of customer satisfaction. Remember, service culture building kasi yung tinuturo ko. And nagpaliwanag yung manager ng hotel. Sabi niya, ito kasi yung problema eh. We are at a disadvantage. Sabi niya, bakit? Kasi most of our hotels are vertical. Usual hotel, ganun, di ba? Vertical. Ours is a resort. It's sprawling. Malaking property. And yung allocation sa amin ng floor polisher, problema, floor polisher. Okay? Ang problema, yung floor polisher sa amin, 3 lang din. Doon sa ibang properties, they have 3 floor polishers and it's enough for their building. Sabi nung property manager. Yung COO was there also. Sabi niya, hindi kayo nag-request ng additional floor polisher, sabi niya. Sabi nung manager, boss, akala ko kasi, 'di ba, ang allocation 3 floor polisher per hotel. Sabi ng CEO, but if you have problem with that, you should have gone to me and say, it's just that we just don't have enough floor polisher. Gaano katagal mo nang binubuno yung problema na yan? Years. But if you are a leader in situations like this, that parang ang labo at hindi it's disempowering you. Sabi nung CEO, I need you to come to me and tell me what the problem is. And better yet, come to me with a recommendation or a request on how to solve the problem. You cannot wait for me to figure out, pupunta ako sa hotel mo, bakit ang dumi ng hotel nila? Siguro kulang sila sa floor polisher. You cannot have that kind of mindset na pag darating, sige, sana pag dumating, mapansin niya, na makita niya, kulang tayo ng floor polisher, kaya hindi malinis yung sahig. You know what I'm saying? So, waiting for clarity is not an option.